Hi guys, it's Sapphire Star. This is Organized Chaos. Welcome to my world. Today I'm going to give you a tour and some housing tips as a travel laboratory scientist. Without further ado, let's get in it. All right guys, this is the private entrance to my room I found on Furnish Finders. If you haven't already checked out my video, I'll leave the link in the description of travel housing or healthcare professionals. Let's go right in. So this is my room, my space, my abode. It's kind of dark here. So like I said, I rented a room. There's a desk. I have a refrigerator. A TV. I have access to a gym. Let's take you guys to the gym. I have access to a gym. It's convenient. Maybe I can turn the lights on here. I have an in-suite bathroom. The kitchen, gym, and the living areas are community areas, but it's just me and my roommate. Have a safe here in the closets. I'll go out through the yard here. Like I said, I found this on Furnish Finders. When I'm looking for a place as a travel professional, the three places that I look is Furnish Finders, that's furnishfinders.com, Airbnb, and Facebook Marketplace. Isn't this amazing? Absolutely love it. Pink grapefruit right outside my room. A fourth one, which I call my wow card, is and look, hospital. Can you see? That's where I work right there. So I am saving money on transportation and gas. I literally walk to work. Today was my first day at work, but this is my favorite place to come and be after work. Is this amazing backyard and pool area with a jacuzzi, a nice little seating area. And so yeah, my wild card when I'm looking for a place to rent is Craigslist.